Unit 14 Environmental Chemistry. This portion you may be already studied in lower classes, that is pollution. Regarding pollution, that is water pollution and air pollution, soil pollution, etc. Therefore, just based on the points given in the syllabus, the first one is the definitions of pollutions and the pollutants. The environment in its original form, as provided by nature, is balanced and is suitable for the growth and development of all living organisms. But due to burning of fuels, running of automobiles, setting up industries, etc., our environment is no longer balanced. This causes pollution. Pollution. What is the meaning of pollution? Any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological nature of air, water, and land, which directly or indirectly influences the life of man, animals, or plants, is called pollution. Definition is required. Environmental pollution can broadly be classified into following three categories. 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Soil pollution. Environmental pollutants. The substance or factors which cause pollution are called pollutants. Pollutants may be defined as follows. The physical, chemical, or biological agents which when released into the environment adversely affect the human interest are called pollutants. Various types of pollutants. These are the syllabus what it is given. Gaseous pollutants, oxides of nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, hydrocarbons and their sources, harmful effects and prevention. Greenhouse effect and global warming, acid rain. First one, oxides of nitrogen. Among the oxides of nitrogen present in the atmosphere, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide are the main air pollutants. The main source of this nitrogen oxides is the combustion of fossil fuels in automobiles and thermal power plants. The industries manufacturing nitrogenous fertilizers and explosives release a considerable amount of nitrogen dioxide in the atmosphere. It is also present in tobacco smoke. Although both nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide are toxic, nitrogen dioxide is more harmful and is the major pollutant. It causes chronic lung conditions and even death. Nitrogen dioxide is harmful to plants also. It causes chlorosis and extensive leaf drop in plants. In the atmosphere, it combines with moisture and oxygen to form nitric acid and causes acid rain. Second one, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is released into the atmosphere on account of incomplete combustion of fuels in automobiles and various industries. Carbon monoxide is very harmful gas. It combines with the hemoglobin of the blood to form carboxyhemoglobin, which is unstable which is unable to transport oxygen in the body. Carbon dioxide is a natural constituent of the atmosphere and is essential to plants. It is released into the atmosphere during the burning of fuels at homes and in various industries. It is also released in the process of respiration. Plants make use of carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and consume a major portion of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. In spite of the removal of carbon dioxide by plants, The concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is slowly rising due to the large scale burning of fuels. Deforestation is also responsible for it. Accumulation of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes rise in the atmospheric temperature. This rise in atmospheric temperature may disturb the normal life of the human beings and may cause several problems also. Next one, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide is formed by the combustion of sulfur containing coal and petroleum. Thermal power plants, oil refineries, petroleum industry, sulfuric acid industry, automobiles, etc. add a considerable amount of sulfur dioxide to the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide is very harmful gas. Its presence in the air causes respiratory diseases, cardiac problems, throat troubles, irritation in the eyes, etc. It is also harmful to plants and may cause chlorosis, that is chlorophyll loss, membrane damage, reduction of growth and yield, etc. It causes acid rain and corrosion of buildings and marble structure, fabrics, paper, leather, etc. Sulfur trioxide is formed by the oxidation of sulfur dioxide in the presence of sunlight in the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, it rapidly combines with moisture to form sulfuric acid. Sulfur trioxide causes severe breathing problems and discomfort to the respiratory tract. Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are added to the atmosphere due to incomplete combustion of organic fuels, bacterial decomposition of organic matter as constituents of natural gas. Gasoline fueled vehicles, industrial emissions, and uses of solvents are the main sources of hydrocarbons in the atmosphere. High concentration of hydrocarbons affect lungs. Methane retards the growth of plants and production of fruits. Aromatic hydrocarbon causes irritation to the mucous membrane, respiratory problems, and may affect the nerve system. Many hydrocarbons have carcinogenic, that is cancer producing properties also. They are known as carcinogens. Prevention. The effect of gaseous pollutants can be minimized by adopting certain remedial measures. The best way to control is to reduce the formation at the source itself. The use of fossil fuels in large amount should be avoided. It should be replaced by hydroelectric and solar power. The gasoline and diesel should be replaced by CNG or LPG. The factories should be fitted with tall chimneys, therefore they reduce the concentration of pollutants at the ground level. Harmful gases which are water soluble can be passed through water tower in which it get dissolved.